Oh, stop. Don't hear your head. Don't hit your head.
Yeah.
Skip it down.
No, fuck you.
Skip it down.
Oh yeah, I want to go to prison. These guys are the devils. They are the devils.
May 3rd, 2025. Watch how a soaked 5-year-old runs door to door for help after his mother allegedly tries to drown him.
Okay.
I love you.
1 second.
Come back for me, AWACS.
All
AWACS.
right. You stand her up and get her to that car. In the cage. All right. You get her left arm. I get her right arm.
No.
You know what?
No.
Stop.
Stop.
You know what? Just stay here.
No, motherfucker.
Stop.
I'm not.
Stop.
I'm not. I won't.
Hey, get on her legs. Get on her left side.
Father, forgive me for I have sinned against my only begotten
Just
Son.
watch your knee, and so I don't want her on the back, but you're on her arm, right?
AWACS.
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah, be on her arm.
AWACS.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Please forgive me for my only begotten Son. And
Hey, what kind of drugs have you taken? What kind of drugs have you taken?
I love God.
What kind of drugs have you taken?
God, I love you.
Okay.
God, I love you. God, I love you.
So,
AWACS is
you want to
God.
move to that car right there?
AWACS is God.
That's fine.
AWACS is God. AWACS is God. The devil. The devil is full of you. It is not true.
I need some too.
Grab a few pairs, will ya?
Forgive me. God, forgive me.
You good?
God,
Yeah, I'm
forgive
good.
me for I have sinned.
I'm not. I just had to tackle
God,
her to the
forgive me
ground.
for I have sinned against my only.
A wire, though.
Oh shit.
God, forgive me for I have sinned against my only begotten Son.
Get sprayed. Actually, should be fine. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Yeah. Oh, stop! Don't hit your head. Don't hit your head.
Yeah.
Skip it down.
No, fuck you.
Skip it down.
No, you're okay.
You're fine.
Devil, get off me.
You're okay. Just take two
Devil,
deep
get off
breaths.
me. Devil, get off me. Devil, get the fuck off me. AWACS, I forgive you. And fuck social media.
Okay.
East Side, North Day, Pyro Gang.
Ready
AWACS
to stand her
is
up?
God.
Let's do it. Okay.
And these are the devils.
All right, stand up. All right.
They are lying.
Stand up. Stand up.
Use your legs.
Use your legs.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Roll them towards Thatcher.
Roll.
No.
Stand up.
No.
Use your legs. Stand up.
Yep, no.
No, don't sit down. She's not gonna
Yep,
stand
no.
up.
You. You. You.
Door, please.
You piece of shit. I'll fucking kill all of you. Oh yeah.
You want to just kind
Give
of?
AWACS, give me one of them guns. And I'll shoot him. AWACS, give me one of those guns and I'll fucking kill him. Okay.
Yeah, I figured.
AWACS, I forgive you.
A body wrap.
AWACS, I forgive you for making me kill my one and only begotten Son, God, devil.
Sit up.
Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me.
Stop.
Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. AWACS, forgive me. Fuck God. Fuck God. God is social media. You guys are being lied to. God is social media. Yeah, AWACS, pull up and come get me. These guys. Yeah. Yeah, nope.
Stop.
Fuck these motherfuckers.
Stop.
I'll fucking kill money. Yeah, nope, yep. Okay, I'm gonna shoot.
What's your name?
My name is Patrice Shirley Marie Garcia.
Patrice.
Patrice.
What's going on tonight?
Nothing really. I didn't do anything. My son's fine.
Have you been taking drugs today?
No, I haven't.
You haven't?
No.
You normally act like this?
Yeah, this is normal.
This is normal?
Yeah, this is hella normal.
Being outside with no clothes on and
Yeah.
yelling?
Oh hell yeah, this is normal.
Yeah?
Forgive me for I have sinned against my only begotten Son on your behalf because I love you.
Here and then we can secure it to
A gurney.
Yeah, come take me to prison, that's fine.
Take her to wherever.
Yeah, take me to
Yeah,
prison.
that's fine.
Yeah, I really want to go to prison.
I do have a ride on. Just
Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to go to prison. These guys are the devils. They are the devils. Social media, East Side Gang, Rascals. And social media is the devil. Social media is the devil. Help! They're trying to kill me.
Stop.
I'm gonna kill one of them.
Stop.
It's not the devil. Hey, it's not the devil. It's not the devil. Hey, Wax, pull up and come get me. Hey, Wax, pull up and come get me. Okay. I'm going. Oh, yeah. Yeah, get the fuck off me, you piece of yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you. Here, can I have your gun? Can I have your gun, please? Hey, give me your gun, man. Hey, can I have your gun? Okay.
She might start. She hasn't done it yet.
Can I have your gun? I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. No. You guys said it's the devil! 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 He's trying to kill me.
Hey,
Give me a
relax.
gun.
Relax. I'm gonna get all the info and do the report.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think you gotta use force at all. It was just me.
Holding her down. Okay.
You guys.
I mean, we'll ask somebody, but you didn't do anything. It was mainly me doing it.
Eastside. I fucked my only begotten son. My only begotten.
She went down and came right back up.
My only begotten son.
Yes. See if we can start. Can we start trying to move her?
Are you good if we send Manny with the...
Hey, we're gonna start moving her.
Okay, so basically, I don't know, what info do you have so far?
So far I don't have anything because all I saw was him struggling with her on the ground, so I came running up to help him. But that's what I was going to do, is I was going to collect some info from the neighbors and see if they saw the
It ended up, I'm assuming down there.
Yeah, I'm going to go talk to them. And
So, so basically what we have is these guys here. Suspect lives here with her son and grandma.
Okay.
So
grandma's
not there.
Oh, she's not there.
Grandma's at a party.
Okay.
And so no one else should be in the home. Little comes up, knocks on their door. There's blood on their door.
Okay.
So we're gonna get pictures of that. I'll grab pictures of that, so don't worry about that. They're working on witness statements right now.
Okay.
Son comes up and says, "My mom hit me in the head with a statue in the house, and then tried to drown me."
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So,
All right.
So we're gonna have detectives. We're gonna need a search warrant for the
Search
house.
warrant on the house.
The house.
Okay.
Mom comes out, chases kid, goes into their house, goes downstairs, goes after their granddaughter. So you have Berg, and lewdness involving a child. And then she tries to assault them by punching them. And then their son gets her in a headlock out here, and it sounds like you guys arrived pretty shortly after.
Yeah, that's
Sounds like 7-year-olds going to primaries with severe injury. I can basically guarantee you right now that at the bare minimum you're going to have aggravated child abuse.
Aggravated child abuse. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good, man.
So I'll go start working on that,
Okay.
and then I'll contact DCFS for you.
Okay.
And I'll
Sounds
try
good.
to get kiddo's info.
All right. I appreciate you, man. So, could you kind of give me a rundown of what happened?
Okay, I was sitting at the window at the couch,
Okay.
and all of a sudden the doorbell rang. I seen the little boy come walking around, but I didn't see him blood or anything. And he come walking around, and he rang the doorbell, and I got up and I come down to answer the door. By the time I got down there, he was gone.
Okay.
But there's blood on the door, on the step, and he went running down that way.
Okay.
And then I walked down that way, and to see what was going on. And then the lady come walking around. She says, "Call the cops! Call the cops!"
Uh-huh.
I tried killing my son.
That's what she said?
That's what she
Okay,
said,
so she
yes.
said, I'm going to quote that, "Call the cops. I tried killing my son."
Right.
Okay. All right, and then what else happened?
And then I told him that he come out, and I says, call 911.
Okay.
That she tried killing her son.
Uh-huh.
So he did, and then we talked to the dispatch, and they got all you guys coming here. And
Okay.
the little boy, he was scared. He wants his grandma
Right.
and everything, but his grandma's not home. And that's why I need to go know if I can get a card with the name on it, and that, so I can have her call you guys.
And I was told by another officer she went into your home?
Yes, she went in
Okay,
the
so
house
what happened
nude.
with that? Okay. So,
Well, we're standing down there with the little boy,
okay.
and the door's open like it is now.
Okay.
And we have a 4 girl downstairs.
Okay. So that's a charge, loose in front of a child.
Yeah. And I seen her, and she was running this way.
We got mosquitoes.
Yeah, so many mosquitoes.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I think we're in the wrong spot. But then she went in the house, and he went in there after her, and she shut the door, and she charged at him.
Okay. So, and then after that, what happened? She tried to attack you.
Well, yeah, she tried to attack me, and my neighbors come running across the street, and we tackled her, and, you know, because
She was swinging at you?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get hit?
Yeah, I got hit in the head a couple of times, but, you know, like I said, I can take it. I wasn't that, I just don't want to be attacked. But I couldn't defend myself. She's, what, 300 pounds? I don't know how big she is.
Okay. All right. I will go down there, and then if you need me, I'll come back to get your statement, but I'll be right back, okay?
All right, thank you.
I'm not very good at
pulled him
making
in through the
paragraphs
yard
and all
right
that
here.
crap.
I know, you're good. I know they probably already talked to you. I'm initial on this call. Do you mind just giving me a rundown of what you kind of told them?
So
Will you mind holding that for just 1
Basically-
second? I'm just gonna...
I was sitting in the garage. My dad saw a boy run down here and was standing looking this way. And he's like, "What the heck is he bleeding?" Gets up, goes, checks on him, and he was bleeding. We brought him back over here and got him sat down, started cleaning him up, asked him what was going on. He said that his mom tried beating him with the statue that broke him too, and tried drowning him as well. And she's been doing it all day today. And so I'm just trying to comfort him, making sure he's okay. I'm like, "You okay, bud? Like, is there anything I can do for you? You want water? Do you?"
And you noticed he had blood on him?
Oh yeah,
Where did he have blood on him at?
top of his head,
Top head.
face, neck, clothes, shorts, you name it, he had it. And I noticed her came back out naked down there.
So she was originally clothed?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And next thing I know, I get told that she's trying to go into the old couple's house down there. So I go down there to make sure, you know, everybody's safe. He's too old to defend himself, you know, and everything. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to go make sure everything's going to be okay. Go up there, and she just starts coming out. "Oh, all you devils, or all you demons are devils. And you're all doing it, and all this." And I was like, "You better back up. Like, you don't want to do this. Like,
Right.
I'm not playing around. Like, back up." And she was just coming at me aggressively and just all crazy like.
Did she assault you or anything?
Yeah, she
did?
when she reached to grab, because she hit me
She hit you?
to grab my hair,
Okay.
and that's when I took her down and I held her there, and she's yanking down on my hair.
So she hit your face when she went to grab your hair?
Yeah.
Where did you, what side of your face? What'd you say? That side?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, thank you guys.
Later, she was charged with aggravated child abuse, disarming a police officer, burglary, child hospitalized with head injuries. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.